Welcome to School Report, a glimpse into the classrooms of St. Lucie County Public Schools. School Report provides the opportunity to share with the community academic and extracurricular activities of students in our schools. And now, here is School Report.
This is our second annual Treasure Tournament Air Sea Land Challenge. It's the first time that we've actually had auxiliary events, which are extra events besides the combined event. The combined event is actually a rover with a drone and a submersible on top of it that navigates through a maze. The drone picks up the submersible, picks it up and drops it into a target pool and then lands elsewhere. That one is later this afternoon. Today, right behind me, we have some middle schools in our district trying to overcome the challenge that was set before them, which is called the mini drone dance. And there's an obstacle course set in PVC. There are 4 obstacles and then a landing pad that they have to land on. And so it's an opportunity for the middle schools to learn how to operate a mini drone and also to communicate with each other in order to accomplish that task. We also have the Bebop Bop, the Tiny Whoop World, the Rover Romp, and the Sub Soiree that are also occurring today.
Today we're having our drone competition with multiple drones. We have our Tiny Whoops, we have Parrot Bebops, and we have a combined event with DJI Phantoms, and we have one DJI Mavic Pro, where we're taking videos and we're competing against middle schools. Most of it's middle schools. A lot of it's for the middle schools to learn about the drones and get a feel for them and kind of see what they can do with the drones and set goals for themselves into the future with the drones. I know there are 6 middle schools here today, and right now the only high school right here competing is Treasure Coast, and we're competing kind of against each other in 2 separate teams. And the 6 middle schools are competing against each other.
Fun. I feel like we have more fun if more schools had drone clubs, and if we could have events and try making our own drones, like a club for making drones. Also, I also liked it because when we were practicing at my school, we would fly, and when we flew the kindergartners, they would just open their jaw and say, "Lucky!" And also, you can take apart the pieces and like rearrange them. You can take a different drone that's like this, and you can put their parts on it and customize your own. Also, there's accessories you can put like a cannon on it or something you can grab stuff with. We were trying to save an alligator, a tiny toy alligator off a light at my school. But anyway, it was fun doing the ops course because you can be with friends and enjoy bragging rights and enjoy having fun and flying drones, which is a chance many people don't get to go, especially at a school, and just fly drones.
I think that it was very fun, and I think if any other kids have an opportunity, I think they should definitely go out and do it. And it was fun.
I think it was actually pretty amazing. I mean, I got the chance to fly a drone, which normally I do in class, but it's a little different this time with the fact that there's so many people here. I get a little nervous, so it's fun to come out here if you have the chance. You should.
All right, hi, I'm Gregory Stetz. I'm a 6th grade science teacher at Palm Point, K through 8, and we're here today at the drone event. It's been a lot of fun for the kids. They sparked their interest in drones and robotics, so I think being their first time flying drones, they're hooked. And one of the students' parents actually bought a giant drone, so there's a lot of interest and a lot of intrigue into the drone program, so I think these students want to actually pursue it, and maybe in our school next year we might even have a drone team of some kind. So thank you so much, St. Lucie County, for providing the drones and the place to do it, and Treasure Coast High School. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.